Oh, this is Luke from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2021 Hyundai Santa Fe, stock number 6165. This ran from the 12th 2020 to the current shape. It has a D4HE 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by an 8-speed automatic transmission. This is the D4HE 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left front headlight, left front guard, no dents. Left front 18-inch factory alloy maggot tyre, left front door mirror, left front door no dents, left rear door no dents, left rear 18-inch factory alloy maggot tyre, left rear tail light, rear tailgate no dents, right rear tail light, right rear 18-inch factory alloy maggot tyre, right rear door 1 dent, right front 18-inch factory alloy maggot tyre, right front door mirror, right front door no dents, right front door card, right front master switch, center console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster,